over here you can see that I got 3 photos right here. So this is one photo, this is another photo right here, and another photo. And all of these photos right here are a part of the same scene. So here you can see that this is the leftmost part of the scene right here. You see the trees right here, and then you see the center part of the scene right here and the end part. And in all of the photos right here, you got overlapping sections. For example, these green part right here, it is there on this picture as well. And similarly, the trees and the bushes over here on this picture is here on the other picture as well. This is important if you want to use the Photomerge option to create a panorama of these images by combining them. So once all of these is, let's say for example, set out and it's ready, you got the overlapping pictures that you want to make panoramas of, then you can go around onto the guided section right here, and under Photomerge, here you can see that Photomerge Panorama is an option. So once you go around and click right here, what happens is that you can choose the type of panorama that you want to create. But before that, you need to go to photo bin, and then you need to select all of these pictures right here. So I'm going to hold Control on my keyboard, and then I'm going to click all 3 of these till they are highlighted white. And then you can select the type of panorama you want to make. You can choose auto if you're unsure of how the photos are taken, but if it is taken in a perspective mode, then you can select this cylindrical, spherical, so you can try out different things right here. But since I have let's say photos of different sizes, I'm going to choose collage in my case. And you can go around and see the settings, which is blend images together, and you can also content aware filter transparent areas as well to make it more complete. So once this is done, you can go around and click on create panorama right here, and let's see what happens right here. It analyzes out all of the pictures and then stitches them out together. So it does take a bit of time right here, just like this, which is quite normal. That once it's done, you can see that this is what it has done right here. So you can see that this is the first part of image. You can see the selection right here. And it has generated out this area, and then this is the second part of the image right here, and the third part and the top part is generated, as you can see. So now you can continue editing in this, or you can simply save this. You can editing, click on continue to edit this in quick, and there you go. You can see that it has been converted into one single image, just like this. So that is how you can use the guided Photomerge Panorama option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.